Can convicted felons ever own a gun again?
Hello viewers. Today we're diving into a sensitive and intricate topic. Can convicted felons ever own a gun again? This topic is closely linked to U.S. federal and state laws, and it's important to realize that the answer can vary depending on circumstances and the legal jurisdiction. Let's explore this together.
What does federal law say?
According to federal law in the United States, specifically the Gun Control Act of 1968, a convicted felon is generally prohibited from possessing a firearm. This includes both ownership and even the simple act of holding a gun. The law doesn't distinguish between types of felonies. It covers any crime punishable by imprisonment for over 1 year.
Is there any way around this federal prohibition?
There are indeed exceptions to this federal rule. Convicted felons may regain their right to own a gun through a process known as restoration of rights. This process, which can be complicated and lengthy, may involve having the felony conviction expunged, set aside, pardoned, or having civil rights restored in the state where the conviction occurred.
What about state laws?
State laws can vary widely when it comes to convicted felons owning guns. Some states have laws that mirror the federal law, while others may allow for certain exemptions or have processes in place for restoration of firearm ownership rights. It's essential to understand the specific laws in the state in question, and to keep in mind that federal laws still apply even if a state law seems to permit firearm possession by a felon. In conclusion, while the general rule is that convicted felons cannot own guns, there are specific exceptions and processes that can restore firearm ownership rights. However, this area of law is complex and varies widely based on the state, the nature of the conviction, and other factors. If you or someone you know is a convicted felon interested in restoring firearm ownership rights, it's strongly advised to consult with a legal professional in your area who is familiar with these matters. Remember, gun laws are serious business and should always be approached with respect and thorough understanding. Thanks for watching.